What's up, guys? Maximum Western Rail Fan here. I'm here at the Shovel Restaurant in Marion, and we're supposed to get a Norfolk Southern train here shortly, so thought it would be great to head over during spring break and so you can hear the river crossing on Silver Street going off. I think it's going up there. So it should come, guys. Yep, yeah, this is really majestic, buddy. Yep, it's coming. It's gonna go right down through Center Street, Bellfountain Avenue. You get to go off any second now. It should do. Must be an intermodal freight train coming. Here it comes, guys. I can hear it. Here it comes. Across the diamonds, hammering. Is that a GE some kind? Here it comes. 4416. Yeah. Yep, that's the intermodal freight train. Yeah. Up group, that's a good one. Wow, yeah. That is pretty amazing. Yep, that's what I've been expecting. Here it is, it's going southbound. I get a lot of those at Wyandotte, perhaps, maybe. One of them was the shortest one that I've ever caught myself. That's crazy. Yeah. Looks like it's getting cloudy here, so I'll be on the side in the report. Yeah, Norfolk Southern. Yeah, it is special. Filming here at Marion, Ohio. Yep. Silver Street, yep. Yeah, that's mechanical belt crossing right down there, guys. So, one day or so, I'll give you a tour of the Center Street Railroad crossing. Me and Kyle can do that. That would be a good idea. That is such a cool street. Yeah, piggyback train. Marchandises à ferroutage. That's pretty good. Il fait froid aujourd'hui. It's cold today. Attends, marchandises intermodal. Norfolk Southern. Canadian National, Canadian Pacific. Pretty good, isn't it? That's good French. Yeah! Feel it in my bones. Ooh. Really cold in here, isn't it? Got me kind of see one. But then there's next rail cars coming, so yeah. Alright, that's the last end of the train. Here we go. There goes the intermodal freight. And here we have it. Last train Hammers Diamonds, that's an empty well car. And it's going southbound to Toledo, Ohio. Guys, like this video? Please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe, get a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video, so stay tuned.